Blair, there are many different openings in the home, be it sliding doors, bifold doors, hinged options. What does Guardian Screens and Shutters have for these areas?
Look, what Guardian Screens aims to do is provide an alternative solution to your everyday shutter or security screen. So our plantation shutters are completely lockable. So this is a security screen. We've got them for sliding doors, bifolding doors, whether they be internal or external, swinging inwards, outwards, key lockable, and obviously hinge doors as well. So you close that up, it's all triple locked, turn the key, remove it, no one's getting in.
What about servery kitchen windows? These can apply?
Oh, certainly can. They can be hinged and sliding, doesn't matter. And also you can put the fly screen on there as well, so you can have that nice breeze coming through the kitchen or ventilating while you're cooking, and keep yourself protected from the bugs and the burglars.
And the burglars. What a quality product. Prop into the Build and Design Centre. Come and see Guardian Screens and Shutters today. 7 days.